Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Mobile Freak and today we will unbox and set up this Samsung Galaxy A42 5G variant with 128 GB of internal storage, and we will see how much this device have RAM over here. So this is the box, standard one with charger. It's not slim. There is Samsung Galaxy A42 5G. There is everything about that. It looks like really great. There is some this is, I think, Prism Crush Black, yeah, color. And let's just right now use this old knife I have and just do this. So let's open this box and see what we have inside. Some weird noises. There is the box. Inside this kind of, there is SIM injection tool. We don't need this seal. Here is, let me just open this, only some kind of papers. We also don't need that. Then go outside and we have some dirt on it. On this device, some dirt. What is this, guys? And let's put that on the side. 15-watt adaptive fast charger. You can see that here. You also don't need that right now. And there is the USB-C cable. Also don't need that. Nothing more in this box. So basically only the phone and cables. You just move this from this kind of stuff, and you also don't need that. This is the color. You cannot pretty much see how it's because of this lighting, but it's really nice. There is just, this is the black, like how they call that, and there is three different, kind of texture on this device. Let's just boot him right now. There it is, some weird vibration motor here. It's not good for right now, and this camera looks great if you ask me, for this money. And let's just wait and boot up this device. This is from some pencil. I don't know how I get that. And here it is. There's a Pochnya. What? Some Russian, I think. Russian. Let's go with English. United States. I agree with everything. Skip. Turn on Wi-Fi. Turn on Wi-Fi. I need to do that. Let's just open my internet for right now. So we are here, guys, and I will just move this phone closer so you can see the color we get on this one. Look at the difference between first one, second one, third, and the last one, which is just a standard color for pretty much every single black phone. And there is three more on the downside of this phone. Let's just skip this part. We don't want to add right now some accounts. More, accept, skip here, skip anyway. I don't want to have any passwords for this one. And let's go. This one is with Snapdragon 750G processor, which is between 690 and 765G. So it's like middle child. And let's see, I will do some kind of PUBG Mobile, League of Legends, Mobile Legends, every single game I'm already testing on my channel. I will bring that here. So basically you will see every single test and Antutu benchmark compared to some other phones like A51, 41, A40 maybe if I get that, A71, because this processor is like next generation of Snapdragon 730G, which is in A71, and that's it. first load up. I just need to check that it's pretty snappy for just boot up the device right now. And memory is 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage, which is just a base model. I can tell you right now, yeah, the camera is not bad. I can see the really texture. My hand looks like red. It's not what I want, but video is also not that bad, I will say. Pretty decent for right now. And that's pretty much it, guys. This was the unbox and setup of this Samsung Galaxy A42 5G model, and you can see the color like I want to show you, but it's really hard with this much light and this kind of black. That's pretty much it, guys. If you enjoyed the video, sub will be really amazing. Thank you very much for watching, and we will see you in the next one. Peace.